Hello everyone. I hope you all are fine. I am Anamika Kapoor. Welcome to back my second video on the chapter Editing in MS Word 2010. Now in this video we will discuss more topics. Students, do you know how to undo and redo an action in MS Word? Now first let us talk about undo. In MS Word, undo is used to cancel a command given earlier. In order to undo, click the undo button on the quick access toolbar. Now next is redo. Redo command is used to reverse the action of undo. In order to redo, click the redo button on the quick access toolbar. The shortcut key for undo is Ctrl plus Z and the shortcut key for redo is Ctrl plus Y. Deleting text. We will discuss how to delete text in Word 2010. It is very common to delete text and retype the content in your Word document. You might type something you did not want to type, or there is something extra which is not required in the document. Next is using backspace and delete keys. The most basic deletion technique is to delete characters one at a time by pressing either the backspace key or the delete key. Control backspace key. Keep the insertion point just after the word you want to delete and press Ctrl plus backspace key. Word deletes the whole word immediately to the left of the insertion point. In order to delete the text, we follow some steps. First step, place the cursor to the right side of the text that you want to delete. Second, press the backspace key once. Alternatively, you can select the text and press the delete key to make the deletion. Third, by bringing the cursor to the right of the word and pressing Ctrl plus backspace, you can delete a word. Deleting a block of text can be done by selecting the text and then pressing either the delete key or the backspace key. Word, the same sentence or word can be used many times without typing it again and again. For this reason, the cut, copy and paste to come. Now look at the step copy and paste text. First, copy text. Select the text that you want to copy. Click the copy option from the clipboard group of the Home tab. Paste text. You can paste the select text following some steps. Using the cut or copy option, select the text. Bring the cursor to the location where you want to paste the selected text. In the Home tab, click the paste option from the clipboard group. The selected text gets pasted at the desired location. Spell check is a feature in MS Word that allows the user to identify spelling and grammatical errors. A red wavy line indicates the spelling mistakes, whereas a green and blue wavy line indicates the grammatical mistakes. To make correction to a spelling, right-click on that word. A pop-up menu appears showing different word suggestions. Choose the correct word from the given suggestions. If you want to keep the word as it is, then click on Ignore this. The wavy line under the word disappears. To check spelling and grammatical mistakes in a document, we follow some steps. First step, go to the Review tab and select the Spelling and Grammar option. A dialog box with a list of suggestions appear. To keep the spelling as it is, choose Ignore Once or Ignore All options. After MS Word is finished checking the document, it displays a dialog box saying that spelling and grammar check is complete. Click the OK button to close it. Friends, find option is used to quickly find a word in the entire document. We follow some steps how to use these features. First, click the Find option in the Home tab. This will open the navigation pane on the left. Type the word that you want to search for. The word after being searched gets highlighted in the document. Next is replace. To replace a word with another word throughout the document, the replace option is used. Now here also we follow some steps. First step, click the replace button in the Home tab. It opens the Find and Replace dialog box. Type the word or phrase in the Find What text box and type the word or phrase that you want to replace in Replace with text box. Click the Replace All button. It replaces the word or phrase with the given one throughout the document. If you click the Replace button, the word only on the selected location is replaced. Now here we complete our chapter. I am sure you remember how to edit in MS Word. Thank you.